Alright, sanibonani guys, lana ngiphethe question 9. Question 9 is Euclidean geometry. Now, guess what happened? Ngithethe this question 9 ngayinikeza ama-students wami grade 9 ngabatshela ukuthi bayenze this question, but I excluded question 9.3. Not that ukuthi abakwazi angeke bamkhona question 9.3, but bazomkhona, just a little bit difficult nyana for bona, ne? Bayithole total this question. Bayithole total. Ka grade 9 they are doing congruency of congruency ne similarity, right? So nala grade 12 isatholakala exactly the way iso naka grade 9 bayenza exactly the way iso. So this question ngizama ukukhombisa ukuthi this question be easy kangakanani, how easy this question was. So in the description box uzothola ama links for other recordings wale question paper. September 2023 abayibhale Mpumalanga. Thanks for tuning in guys. Now lagu question 3 bathi in quadrilateral ABDC diagonals AD and BC intersect at this point gaila. Then AB is equal to 8, BD 15, DC 18, AC 10, BC 12. So all the lengths are displayed in the sketch set to this 9.1. But he proved that triangle BCA is similar to triangle CDB. So lana it's similarity, ne? I think on previous videos being trying to confuse at this sign, not this one. This one is similarity. This is similarity. This is similarity. Then this one is congruency. Congruency, yeah, this one. Ne? You need to learn to differentiate between the two. Ngoba similarity asiprove ngokufana ne congruence. Similarity inama cases I2 which ngizowa mention in a moment. Then congruence ina 4 yama cases. Now, since we are proving similarity la, similarity inama cases I2. There's case number 1, case 1, angle, ne? So case number 1 uzomsebenzisa if and only if baguphe ama angles, ne? Bagupha ama angles, so uprove ukuthi triangle A ufana no triangle B similar to triangle B in terms of ama angles. Kwamele uprove ukuthi angle 1 ulingana no angle 1 ku triangle on the next triangle, angle number 2 lingana no angle number 2 in the next triangle, so on and so on. So wangaprova way 3 lama angles, then uyiprovile ke uprovile ukuthi lama triangles are similar. Case number 2, it's this one ke. This 9.1 we involve case number 2. Case number 2, it's sides in proportion. Sides in proportion. So sides in proportion, just to tata the ratios of the corresponding sides between the two triangles, which is something esoyenza ngoba since basiphe ini ama sides kuphela. So 9.1 we have triangle BCA, but kwamele prove that this triangle is similar to triangle CDB. Alright, so since it's case number 2, how do I know go to case number 2? Ngoba basiphe ama sides of the triangles kuphela. Now siwenza kanje ke. So for sides in proportion, we look at the naming of the two triangles. Kuno BCA, kuno CDB, right? So the first ratio kuyoba BC divided by CD. So BC you correspond no CD. BC you divide no CD. Then ngiyabuya ke ngithi CA divided by DB. DB. Can you guess the last one? You have BA, of course. You have BA over CB. You just check the naming of lama triangles now. So uthatha the first two letters BC nangimbalile la. Divide the first two letters of the next triangle CD nangu CD la. Then we have the last two letters of the first triangle CA divide no DB. Bese the first and the last letter we divide with the first and the last letter, right? So now again ama combinations way to get I mean ama ratios way to abhala kanje. So city BC, what's the value of BC? BC now BC it's 12 over 12 over CD 18. What is 12 over 18? Isn't it la ungena kayi u6 ungena kayi 2 la ungena kayi 3, so it's 2 over 3. Then siyabuya ke sithi CA, what's the value ka CA? You 10 divided by DB. DB you 15. 10 divided by 5, that's 2. 15 divided by 5, that is 3. BA you 8. CB you 12. Naso then 8 1 ungena ku 4 ungena kayi ku 8 ungena kayi 2, then u4 ungena kayi ku 12 ungena kayi 3. So let's check 8 over 12, 2 over 3. 10 over 15, 2 over 3. I like to confirm or check my answers. 2 over 3. Now, since lama ratios ayafana lawa, it means that u triangle BCA is similar to triangle CDB. Siprove ngani? Sides in proportion, which is case number 2. Proportion, sides in proportion. So this was case number 2. If beg my angles, let's calculate all the angles in both triangles. Let's compare. Lawa linganayo, it komela lingane way 3. Then nakalingana we prove ngani angle. So this was case number 2 of similarity lagu 9.1. 9.2. Hence prove that 9.2. Hence prove that to AB or parallel to CD. AB. Now AB parallel to CD. Right? So say we sell back to case number 1. You do realize. Okay. Wanga prove a similarity. Ne? Wanga prove similarity. Case number 2. It means that to case number 1 unjani true na in that triangle. Wanga prove a similarity ngo case number 1. It means that to case number 2 is true kulawo ma triangles lawo. Ngikazo ukuthini? Since our sides are in proportion la, ne? Chaza ukuthi the corresponding angles ayalingana la, ne? Ayalingana. So BC le angle le ilingana na this angle. BC nangu BC, its opposite angle le lagu A. Then CD it's this angle yala. The corresponding angles are equal. This angle ilingana na lena. Then CA over DB. It means that the angle yala ilingana na le angle yala. Then this one ilingana na this angle yala. Right? So case that's why ngithi uma ngabe prove ngo case number 2, u case number 1 uzoba true kulawo ma triangles. If u prove ngo case number 1, case number 2 will also be true. Ne? So 9.2, so ufuna ukhombisa ukuthi AB u parallel to bani CD. What did I say? the triangle le, the angle le ilingana na this one. Angle BCD ulingana no angle ABC. ABC. The angle le ilingana na le angle yala, right? Why? It's because of triangle BCA is similar to triangle CDP. That's the reason we provide. That's the reason we provide. Therefore, if that's the case, it means that lama angle ayalingana, ne? And uma ilingana so, that makes line AB abe parallel to CD. Ngoba we have the angles are alternating angles. So lama lines are parallel. Since the angle lingana na this one, the line yoba parallel to this line ngoba lama angles, they are also alternating with each other. Kanjalo ke. 9.3, si calculate the length of CE. Alright. Ke senze so ke manje. 9.3, sifuna length CE, this length yala, right? So the length from C to B, it's 12, ne? It's 12. Let's say for argument's sake, basipe bavele bathi this length from from E to B, it was also 8. Interesting. It was also 8. No. That's interesting. So velocity 12 minus 8 is total length yala, right? But that's not the case again much. So since it's for no calculator the length ga CE 90 so yens again. So we are back to case number 2. Back to case number 2 of similarity la. Alright. So asenze so. Let us represent. How about we represent CE or X? If this is X, what is the length for the side of triangle BED? X, no, it's 12 minus X. You're about 12 minus X. You're about 12 minus X. So now it is we are back to case number 2. It means that I have to prove iloganj similarity between two triangles. Ne? Ngoba since ngifuna calculator for CE, meaning in other words I want to calculate the value of X, since CE sesim representing ngobani ngo X, I need to find a way to set up an equation ezongivumela ukuthi ngicalculate lo X. Ne? It's not useful ukuthi sithi 12 is equal to X, this X plus lo 12 minus X, this 12 minus X. Lo X yo cancel lo X, 12 is equal to 12. Yabo ukuthi ayisincede this thing, and it's for 4 marks. 90 singayenza ke. We can prove similarity again. Then we use case number 2 to calculate ulogayi X. Case number 2 uzosinceda ukuthi set up leyo equation engikhuluma ngayo, ne? I'm done talking ke manje. Asishone khona. Bheka ngichaza ukuthi ke we can either use the triangle le, let's call this one no triangle number 2, or we can use the triangle number 3 no triangle number 4. We need to pair them up so that we can set up the equation there, ne? But into kala we have to prove similarity, ne? We have to prove similarity. So therefore sizothi ke this angle B ABE is equal to angle bani, this angle ECD. We have proved this on the previous question, Lago 9.2. The time is prove I'm a parallel lines, ne? Then this angle CED is equal to this angle le ngapha AEB. AEB. Why? Vertically opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles. Le ilingana na this one, right? Now, bese it means what? Ke le angle le ilingana na le angle le. Remember ngikhethe triangle number 1 no triangle number 2. Athingwa high athingwa bad out in triangle ABE. This is where the discussion is happening la. And triangle DCE. And triangle DCE. Voila. And triangle DCE. So le angle yokugcina le CDE is also equal to BAE. BAE. It's the third angle of triangle, right? So of course the third angle is always equal, right? It's always equal. If ama angles ayi-2 are equal ngaphakathi kwe triangle, the third one is over equal ke, right? Therefore it means that lama triangles anjani are similar. U-ABE and triangle DCE. So proving ngani angle, right? So this was proved in case number 1. We are going to use case number 2 ke manje. Case number 2 to find a value ka x. Remember, sila ku triangle 1, 2 no triangle number 1. Yes, triangle number 1. So since ngifuna ubani u-x la, ne? Ngifuna u-x. Anyway, let's write down all the ratios for the triangle. So kuba u-AB over DC equal to BE over CE equal to AE over DE. What's the value for AB? AB 8 over DC 18, BE 12 minus x. Now BE la. CE x equal to AE. AE ang na. Okay, now AE la. I don't have a value ka AE. Ngibhala choko binjalo. DE I also don't have, right? So it means that you tata this pair and solve for x. This is our equation again. This is our equation. So tata this equation. Okay, wait. I feel like no, yeah, I'm correct. La. Asibuyele back. BE it's 12 minus x. Yeah, it's 12 minus x. BE it's 12 minus x over CE, which is x. Alright. No, I thought we think tole wrong. So anyway, then we cross multiply about 8x equal to 18 times 12. 18 times 12, that's 216 minus 18x, right? Minus 18x transpose alo 18. Nas transpose alo 18 you figure ngala be positive. So you about 18 plus 8. About 26. 26x divided by 216. 26 then 26 over then 216 divided by 26 is equal to 8.3. Let's say 8.31. therefore x yoba 8,31. Right, lona remember x wami ubani uCE, so my x is equal to 8.13 uCE. Now x wami ubani uCE. Voila, nayo answer yethu ke guys. So the reason why ngikhiphile this question lapha kulama students wami aka grade 9, it's because of ngibone dangers afana nalawo. Bona abana ngathi they don't have the ability yet ukuthi ba set up ama equations wabo on their own. Maybe if they are dealing with ama parallel lines, then they can formulate something, but for this one ngibona ngathi izobaphathisa headache, so ngayiyekela ke. Right, so our question 9 guys now, Euclidean geometry. I hope we enjoyile, I hope uthole some value. Ungakhohlwa ukulike, ukushare nokusubscribe if you enjoy my content guys, ne? So yanthanda nonke, check out the description box for more content. For now, I'm just signing out. Asibonane on the next recording. Bye bye.